Hey, hey, hey! Here we are again, Wedding Album Wednesday, and this is the second page. Well, the page that's going to face the last one I did, so go back and check that out. I'm using that glittery plastic looking piece of paper right there. I still have yet to figure out what that is, and to be honest, I really forget about it until I see it again, so I don't know what it is, but because it's not a normal piece of paper, I do use the more heavy-duty adhesive on it. So anyway, I use that just to matte because I really like the way it looks matting the photos so far. And I only have those two pieces left, so sad face. Using this plaid background, I wanted to bring in that little strip of key paper because it was in the page I did that's going to be facing this one. And I just have a whole bunch of... I don't have a whole lot of pictures of him before the wedding, or after for that matter. So everything that said groom and everything that had anything to do with, you know, my best friend and all that good stuff, I was kind of thinking, oh, I had to show you I broke my nail. I just felt like it needed to all go on here, and I end up not even using... I have a set of Jolie stickers that are like a suit. I don't even use any of those, so those are gonna just be handed down to my godbaby probably, so she can play with them if she even wants to. I don't know. I'll have to find her some dress ones maybe to go with it so that it, you know, she'll be able to make a scene out of it or something. Anywho, and I layer this one just about as much as I did the previous one, so I've really been into those lately, especially with my wedding album for some reason. And so I really wanted to use this "My love, my friend" saying. I didn't really care if the whole card got used, so as you can tell, I chop it up. Chop it up. I mean, it's mine, I bought it, I can do what I want to, right? Yeah, it's my party, I can cry if I want to. Sorry. Rabbit trail. Anyway, or what does Adele call it? Tangents. Tangent? I think that's what she calls it. Anyway, oh man, I've never used those. So I finally see on the back of this little papery, like paper, this tag, and I'm thinking maybe it'll tell me what it is, but it does not. Well, I mean, it says something, but it wasn't what I was looking for, I guess. So I had already picked out my title. Mama, you're gonna love this title because it's more glitter than a glitter shop. It's all glittery, let me tell you. And the thickers I use are the Fitzgerald thickers. Side note, those pins, that ginormous amount of pins that I had to buy to re-stick into my May Made It glue, my art glitter glue, totally rusted on me. Like, not cool, dude. I do currently have another one pulled out that I have painted with clear nail polish, so I'll let you guys know how that works. Because I done bought them, now we got to figure out a way to make them work. I knew when I saw this hello that I wanted my title to be Hello Handsome, because I just think he's totes adorbs right here. That little smile of his. He is currently not feeling well and laying in bed snoring, so if you can hear him, I do apologize, but he had something give his tummy the roundabout this afternoon. Not just his tummy, he had it, I think it might have been food poisoning, so we all know how that works. Well, if you don't, Google it, because nobody won't talk about that. But I do use up these swirlies, so that's another sheet gone. Totally happy about that. And they don't, like, I'm throwing every swirl on here almost, and they don't really look like they come together until the very end. So hold tight for me for just a minute, because it does look, or at least I think it comes together in the end. I ain't no Paige Evans. I ain't no Adele. I ain't none of those fancy folks. Heba. I ain't none of them. But I still thought it came together okay. I brought in quite a bit of glitter on this layout. And you know what I think about it? I don't think I added any of the swirlies up to the My Love My Friend little tag up there. And I used that tag up there to kind of play with my words. They kind of come down in a stair step a little bit. Because I found another saying that, I have it right here next to me. How about that? I have another one up there that, in a minute, that says, "It will always be you, my love, forever." That's kind of like what everything says on there. It's not kind of, it's what everything says on there. Sorry, it's not that late either. I have just had I can't even. I was picking my car up today, because I had a oil change, and the people were talking to me, and like, I was just standing there, like, zoned out, not even paying attention to what they were saying. Like, I was hearing them, but I didn't realize they were talking to me. And a little embarrassing, but if you know me at all, you know it's kind of how my life is. So, I just kind of rolled with it. If I'm good at anything, I'm good at being awkward. So that's my superpower. What can I say? And I brought in a few. Oh, I did bring in one of those Tim Holtz chipboard pieces. Over to the left, it's going to say follow your heart, excuse me. Oh, and that little piece down there under handsome, it says, "Love you to the stars." Couldn't get any of those pink words in. I don't think anything. I literally just have it beside me, so I turned and looked at it. The only thing pink on here are these hearts and a few of the rhinestones. Not a few of them, all the rhinestones are pink. So. Oh, goodness. It's time to wrap up the day, I guess. Throw some stars. Because like I said on the last video, I really want the stars and rhinestones to be kind of the reoccurring bit in it. Because I think that if nothing else, they'll be the easiest things to find later on. Something similar, at least. But this layout went pretty quick. In my time, it was 17 minutes, because I've only doubled this up, or fast forward this twice, or an extra time. And I do bring in the black, let me see, what are they called? Ebony black Nouveau drops. I love Nouveau drops, they're the best. That's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this page. I hope you're enjoying this series. And I will be back probably Saturday. I'll probably post something on Saturday, although I don't know what day this is going. Oh, it's going up on Wednesday. Hello. Guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap this day up, and I'll holla at y'all later. If you feel led to, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, always get your crafty time in. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.